In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an email notification sound in Outlook. So firstly, sign in your Outlook, then click on View, then View Settings, and here select General. Then you have to click on this notifications option, and here is the setting notifications in Outlook. So firstly, turn on this setting, then once you expand here, so check this box, allow notifications to play sound. If it's unselected, so select it and save. And there are some more options like notify me about, choose when and how you want to be notified, like mail, calendar, and documents. And like for mail settings, select a desktop or none. The desktop notifications appear in the bottom corner of your screen and disappear automatically. You can select this option only from favorite people and play sound. And in the last, once you customize this setting, click on save. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.